Let's talk about the absolute legend of Indian football, Mr. Sunil Chhetri, captain, leader, legend, if there was one in Indian football. There have been many players that have put India on the footballing map. Back in the 60s, we have had legendary players. In 2000s, we had one Bhaijin Bhutia, who put us in the map. But no player was there in the conversation of most international goals along with Messi and Ronaldo, except this one player who has always been there. And he, as a striker, he is not a very bulky striker. He's not somebody who has a lot of height, but he has a lot of stamina. From the day that he started to the day he ended, this guy never stopped running, ever. So what an absolute legend for the football, and he's retiring from the national team.
Yeah, man. 19 years of service for the country. Yeah, he debuted, I think, against Pakistan, and he scored in that same game as well. A beautiful farewell video. In which he's been talking about his career as well. And man, what a guy! Like, he was the one, who was the reliable. I cannot count the number of games just when we have been so shit. There's just one guy who will always be, will be clutching for us. Some insane headers, even though he's not as tall as Ronaldo. He is not as fast as Messi will be, but he's just doing what the boat can do. He was the Mr. Reliable for our country, and I don't think so. We'll never find a finisher like him. And it's sad, I thought he would at least do 100 goals. He was very close. I think 6 goals remaining. He was at 94. I'm not sure. He was very close, but I thought he'd be going till that. But yeah, like Vishant said, I respect his decision. I would say it's a right timing.
Yeah.
Also, because last season was the first time we saw, like this whole season, Jab Afghanistan and all this team, he wasn't as sharp as he was in his past, and I think he understood it. He's been falling off from his race, so he took this wise decision. So now in Kolkata, next month will be his last ever game for India versus Kuwait. That would be an emotional pain, and I'm sure the Indian wins will be preparing a deeper for him. He will definitely be like absolute legend for a game. And his mentality has been the top notch. I remember seeing one video at Bengaluru where he was just sitting and he said, look at these guys. There were some youngsters like Udanta and all these guys. He said, how much you set a record today for us? So they're telling their time and all. He said, no, I am the oldest here and tell my record. So he told him he's still the fastest in the team. So he's always there to motivate the team by showing a right example. He's not the one who just keeps talking but not showing. So he's always the one who shows. He always the first one to go for, always scoring the first one for that. I'm really worried for how we'll be scoring goals if it's not him.
Yeah.
Because when we chant, I cannot trust these. We can never trust. Because Chhetri hota tha, we'll be like, oh, whenever we get a notification 1-0, India is winning. Of course, we know.
And it's not only for the footballing, but even for the marketing. If you ask anybody in India, like the non-football fans, if you ask a footballer's name, they will know Sunil Chhetri. I'm very sure everybody remembers the video that he put out, asking for fans to come to the game. And the way the fans have responded after that, the way that India is always present, even in away matches, that a big contribution for that level of support is it's difficult. It will be very difficult to find a sports person of that caliber for India and even for Bangalore whenever he decides to retire from ISL.
Okay, I had the opportunity to see him live at Pune when he played with Bangalore. So I've had that opportunity to get Chhetri, and he scored against Pune, which I'm not sad about, because Chhetri ko goal मारते हुए देख लिया, one legend of the game. उसको goal मारते हुए देखा, and I agree like with all the points, man. Like Mithun said कि एक goal scorer रहता था तो मतलब वो एक नाम है, Yeah, chalo, Sunil Chhetri रहेगा. And definitely, man, future of Indian football like scorers is going to be a huge talking point now.
जैसे मतलब हम लोग बात एवरीबॉडी हैज सेड देयर बिट और मोस्टली उन्होंने वही कहा है जो मैं भी सोच रहा था इस मतलब बिकॉज ऑफ सुनील छेत्री और जो उनका इस फील्ड में पर्टिकुलरली जो उन्होंने अपना योगदान दिया है वो बहुत ही मतलब इट्स वो तो है डेफिनेटली, बट उनका जो एनालिटिकल पर्सपेक्टिव है, आई हैव हर्ड हिम इन दी यू नो प्री मैच शोज ऑफ यूरोज, है ना, और इन द वर्ल्ड कप्स. यार guy is bang on with his understanding of the game, understanding of the you know वो सामने वाले players क्या सोच रहे हैं अगर हम half time में आ रहे हैं. So that guy knows not only the physical aspect of the football, obviously he's a clutch player, he knows he's tough, but man, he is a mentality monster. जो हम लोग बात बोले ना कि वो आदमी खींच के लाया लोगों को कि भाई तुम घर से निकलो, आओ हमको देखने, हम खेल रहे हैं. इंडियन टीम खेल रही है, कोई गली की टीम नहीं खेल रही है आपके सिटी में आके. उसने वो पैशन इग्नाइट किया लोगों के अंदर. और टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट बहुत दुखद है कि ही इज़ रिटायरिंग एंड यू नो मतलब he never got to play in the World Cups and you know बड़े competitions where we wanted to see India someday play. अभी भी होगा, कभी ना कभी तो डेफिनेटली होगा, बट एक पार्ट रहेगा कि यार काश छेत्री होता इस टीम में जब भी वो टीम पहुंचे, कम वॉट कभी भी आए वो. बहुत ही, और वो मतलब वो कुवैत वाला जो मैच है, कुवैत आई गेस वी आर प्लेइंग है ना, इज इन हिज लास्ट मैच, या 6 जून लास्ट मैच, सॉल्ट लेक स्टेडियम. पहुंच जाना, पूरी जनता पहुंच जाना गाइज, डोंट मिस इट. और जहां भी इसका टेलीकास्ट हो रहा होगा प्लीज देखना और जी भर के देख लेना, और जी भर के इसकी मेमोरी को अपनी माइंड में हमेशा रख लेना, क्योंकि यू नो दिस इज नॉट गोइंग टू कम अगेन.
आई थिंक
मतलब
probably उसके साथ इवन स्टेमैक शुड बी लाइक कि मैं नहीं जा रहा.
नहीं, इस टीमैक
थोड़ा
और ये
साथ स्टेमैक को भी ले जाते तो
ये जो
स्टीमैक वाला मैटर तो पूरा अलग ही लाइन पे
we
चल
were
रहा था.
expecting someone else farewell, but अभी किसी और
हमको किसी और का मिल गया, बताओ भला, ये मैटर है.
he's like कि fight तो जा रही था, मैं ही चले आओ.
ये सबसे बड़ा जो चीज होगी ना कि मुझे लगता है एक वॉइड टाइप का रहेगा टीम में, इसको फिल करना it's going to be
It's the biggest void.
really tough. No, see, we have some really strong-minded individuals in the team. Sandesh Jhingan is there, who's very strong-headed. है ना? हाँ, Santu is there. You get such players. But a man leading your country from the front and scoring goals and putting bangers here and there, और वो जो मीटिंग हुआ था ना,
that's a great point in taking. You need to score goals and be the leader.
I'm not trying to say that he scores goals, that is why he's the leader. मैंने उसके पहले आपको बहुत सारा बैकिंग दिया है कि वो क्यों लीडर है ना, वो क्यों लीडर है वो. तो मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ कि मतलब एक आदमी who was doing so many things in the front, and that place, to fill that place, it's going to be extremely tough. And I just want the entire team, the youngsters and the people who are watching this game here in India and playing this game at the same point, वो स्टेप अप करें कि यार हाँ ये एक आदमी था. सब एवरीबडी स्टेप्स अप देयर गेम. करो यार, करो. अब नहीं तो कब होगा, अब करो यार.
Last season it was very disappointing. I see Indian football, but at an international level, we could have reached some heights, but we could not play against.
वो स्लम्प लगा हुआ है, अपन रैंकिंग में गिरते जा रहे हैं.
Being bad, I don't know when will it ever change.
We are not able to beat the B team of Afghanistan. मतलब ये सब हो रहा है हमारे साथ, अब क्या कर सकते हैं. बट खैर, हटिया.
More than Sunil the scorer right now, India will definitely miss Sunil the captain.
Yeah.
Correct. More than the scorer, yeah, for sure. We will miss his captain ideology, his mindset, his impact, and leadership. And yeah, like Siddharth, like reminded me that I also got to watch him this year itself. Bengaluru versus Punjab at the Jawaharlal Stadium, Delhi. And although Bengaluru lost 3-1 to Punjab, the only guy who scored in that game was Chhetri. And I think that was the only goal that everyone in the stand celebrated. And after the game, we all were waiting for him, nearest us to catch a glimpse. He would come and wave at us. Might even get a photo with us. But man, he's such a smart guy. He would just over the he wore so many boats that no one was ever even able to identify him. Like he walked right in front of all of us to the bus, and no one recognized him. And when the bus was, we were waiting for everything. Like, okay, Sadhu has gone. Okay, Pujari has gone. Like all the Indian players and all the English players are going in the buses. We were waiting for Suresh Hedden. And there was one random guy, we thought it's just staff who went by. But that was Chetri. So he was very smart. But great guy. Miss him, for sure. Indian sports will miss him. Not just football, enhanced sports.